Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know, and I've missed you guys so much. So today we're going to do very easy protective hairstyle, and I hope you really enjoy this look and try it on yourself. First, subscribe. So we're going to start off with combing my hair like this, and then I pat my hair like so. Make sure you comb your hair really well so it stays slicked in, and then you just keep combing it so it stays slicked in. Then you're going to use your any rope at all that you have to just tie your hair, and of course I'm going to use the petals gel to just lay down my hair properly so it stays slicked down. Now, if you have a short hair, this can work for you. If you have a long hair, even better. Okay, so as soon as I'm done brushing my hair and combing it and making sure it stays slicked in like this, then I'm going to use my breezy brush and just lay down the finishing. Okay, then I'm going to use my hair. You can use any hair extension. I used this one because if you check my previous video, I've used it before. I divided the hair in two parts. So I used this one to just cling it to a hair ribbon and then twist it like this. You tongue it this way. After which I'm done, you just roll it like this. Then of course you use your bobby pin so it gives you a firm hold. After which you're done, you just keep rolling it and rolling it and rolling it until you're satisfied with what you've done. You can also use your bobby pin for a further firm hold. You just keep rolling it until you're really satisfied, to be honest. Okay, now most people would leave it this way, but I just want to add a touch of elegance, so I'm going to use my camera edge control and just slick down the hair again, then use my edge control to do it. Now this is one of the parts that I need you to pay close attention to, so I'm going to use the other parts. If you remember closely, I said I divided it in two parts. I'm going to use the other parts and now cling it with any hair. Then I'll just start braiding it like so. Now I wanted it to be bigger than this, but I think this is still okay, to be honest, because it gave me what I wanted. Then I will just keep braiding it and braiding it and braiding it all until the very end, like till I'm satisfied with what I've gotten. Okay, so I'm just gonna braid it like so, and this is the end of it. Make sure you braid the tip as well. Then I'm going to open and expand it like this. Then this is the finished product. So I'm going to use it and cling it to my hair like this. I think I've created a hairstyle like this on my channel before, but not with the same hair extension. This is more coily and I love the color as well. The wine-ish color is just giving. So as you can see how I'm tying it at the end. And I'm just going to roll it like this. Just roll it. I'm going to use my camera edge control and just tell my edges, give it the whole beautiful sweet sleek bobby baby hair at the edge. Then I'm going to do the same for the other end as well, then create this other beautiful sweet one going on here. And I'm going to use my hairspray and just spray my hair so it gives this sheen, shiny, beautiful look going on. Okay, I really love this finishing because it makes me feel like, yeah, this is good. So I'm just going to arrange it and style it this way, and this is the finished product, literally. So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle. Let me know if this suits me. I'm very certain it will suit you even better. But most importantly, let me know if you'll be trying this look in the comment section. I don't know what to name this look. I really don't know. I do know it's a very simple, easy, protective hairstyle. Under 5 minutes, you can create this. It's really easy to do. It's very, very budget friendly as well. And trust me, it would suit you so well. Okay? So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle in the comment section, and also don't forget to share this with your loved ones, your girlfriends, your moms, your sisters, and if you are the person watching this, like ladies, don't forget to share it with your girlies. Send it to the group chats. Okay, tell them this would really look good on them, right? I really can't wait to see more girlies with this hairstyle. I know it will suit you all so well. And let me know your favorite thing about this look in the comment section. I can't wait to hear all of it. I want to hear your tweak and your personal thoughts about this, and something you'll be doing differently about this look if you were to try it. Okay, so let me know everything in the comment section, and don't forget to let me know what hairstyle you want me to create next. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.